So first of all, Aditi, welcome to Glitz Vision
Thank
USA
you
once
so
again.
much, guys.
Alright.
Thank you, and you guys are so sweet. This is again a gift segment, and you guys keep loving me even after the show is over and everything is like. Right now, it's very normal, and still, you guys keep sending me a lot of love, lots of motivation. So that is actually motivating me a lot, and thank you so much for that. Lots of love. Yes, yes, for sure. This is so sweet. Yeah, you guys are so cute. Okay, so hey baby, felt like you didn't like the ribbons I sent you much. So here's another trial, hoping you like these enough to wear them. What would I not do for you? So oh my god. I loved them, of course. I love black and it was lovely, but you're oh my god. You're so sweet, cow. I love you a lot. That is so sweet of you. Use these, oh god. Can you see me?
You didn't like the glaze?
I loved them. I did. They were black, and I love black. They were amazing. Come on, why did you feel that I don't like them? Are these opiums? I think this is opium. I don't know. I have the like.
Yeah.
They think that opium because I have the same cover. Oh. Oh my god. So sweet of you. Dude. I love these. I genuinely do. And I don't say like that. I love them as well, but this is so cool.
This suits you a lot.
Yeah, I love shades, and this is so sweet of you to send these. Like I've been using opium, and thank you. Lots of love, babe. Thank you. I saw this and I wanted to buy this, but I didn't. So thank you so much. Wow. Best feeling in the world. When you wake up.
There's something inside of you, except that
Yes. Oh my god. Just a second. So we have this instant. Don't tell me this is what I'm thinking.
Open that.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so happy already. This is like the best feeling when you wake up and you receive a lot of gifts and everything. So like, thank you for making my day one of the best days. This is that camera, guys. I love this camera and I wanted to buy it since forever. Here's a little addition to your collection of electronics. Hopefully you'll like it, and please do come at my house whenever you come to Singapore. You're most welcome. It will be an honor. Lots of love. Love you, queen. You are amazing, I swear, and I think I'm gonna come to Singapore very soon just for you. I'm telling you, because you are so sweet and so kind. So I love you for that. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god, I always wanted this. Okay. मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं है. Mama is watching me like, अरे वाह. I want to open this as sapata, इसलिए I'm using scissors because I just want to. I'm literally. Can you see how excited I am to open this? This is folder. Oh my god, I love this color. Can you just imagine, guys? Kav, I love you so much. I love you so much. This is amazing, and you are amazing, and I loved this one. This is so cool. This is literally so cool, and I'm in love with you, babe. I wish I had a boyfriend like that who would spoil me, but I think you are spoiling me. Mama is there. It's okay. Even my parents keep spoiling me, so yeah. Okay. So this one is, hey my princess, you'll end up thinking I am crazy, but making you smile makes me so happy. It's actually a privilege for me. Just stay as amazing as you are. You are amazing, and you can find me. I already know who you are, and I think this is the like these moments make you really happy. Trust me, as a person, as a girl, as anybody, this can make anybody happy. So thank you for making me so happy, and I can smile ऐसे ही वैसे ही, but I love this literally. This is what? I cannot even react. Like, I don't know how to react, how to express my happiness, how to behave because I just want to scream and shout and tell the world, like, this is so sweet. I am short of words actually right now because guys, just
Oh, that's great.
look at this. Kav, you are. My brother is very jealous, I'm sure, because he's like, "Arey, Didi ko to itne अच्छे gifts aate hain." So I'm so happy, but I share with him. So yeah, but okay, I am really, really, really,
Maybe he can
really.
gift your Raksha Bandhan. Is it okay, Aditi?
What?
We gifting this to your brother?
No, we usually we share everything.
Oh,
Yes. I'm a sweet sister. I don't know how to open this, and I don't want to break anything. So I'm like, this is.
basically.
वाओ डूड वॉशरूम में तो अब यही लगने वाला है बिकॉज so this is that washroom wala thing only, I think, where you can plug in your washroom and while bathing you can just chill and listen to all the music bahar bhi, but I think I've seen the people ये निकल नहीं रहा है. So cool man, bag पे लगा के चलो. It's super chilled out. Yeah, I really liked it. Really, really liked it. Yeah, this is like this.
Oh, that's nice.
Bag पे लगाया, कहीं लगाया. This is so cool man. I just wanna use it as up. I'll be like playing songs, dancing right now. I love this one. So thank you. Let's play some music for you, Kav. I think I'll play a song for Kav because she's done so much for me, and I think that's very sweet. So this one is for you, Kav. I know we are not like we don't really talk but you have made me feel really special. You've made me feel like I have a special friend in the world. So I just wanna play this song that I would say ki made me feel special. So I just wanna make you feel a little special. I hope you know this song. But I love this song personally as well. So, do you know the song? So, so I know it's a very emotional type of song, but I love this song like anything, and I dedicate this to all my favorite people, and of course I love all my fans and everybody. But I think Kav, you made me feel really, really special. So thank you so much for that. And I don't know what I've done to deserve this. So I really want to thank God that I have few people like you, and some people are there who care for me. So thank you so much, being so unknown and still knowing me, knowing my choice, knowing everything about me, and living in some other country. It's so beautiful to receive so much love. So thank you so much for that. Lots of love and lots of blessings.
Oh, that is. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi guys, this is Aditi Sharma and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.